Vietnam is preparing to introduce one of its toughest online safety laws yet for children. The government plans to stop social media users under the age of 16 from posting content, commenting, or reacting to posts under a draft decree aimed at protecting minors online. According to a draft reviewed by Reuters, children under 16 would still be allowed to use social media, but only under much stricter supervision. Every account belonging to a child under 16 would have to be registered using the details of a parent or legal guardian. Parents would also be responsible for monitoring what their children watch online and how much time they spend on social media platforms. The government also wants social media companies to do more. Platforms would be required to identify child users using technical measures, ensure they receive only age-appropriate content, provide the highest level of privacy protection, and proactively detect, warn users about, and block harmful content related to violence, pornography, gambling, drugs, suicide, and other dangerous material. Vietnam's Deputy Culture Minister Phan Tam says the goal is not to ban children from social media, but to make sure they use these platforms in a safer, age-appropriate environment. The proposal comes as governments around the world tighten rules over children's use of social media amid growing concerns about online safety and its impact on young people's mental health. France recently approved a ban on social media access for children under 15, while Australia became the first country to introduce such restrictions. Countries including Britain, China, Italy, Malaysia, Norway, Canada, Brazil, Austria, and Indonesia have either introduced or are considering similar laws to limit children's access to social media or strengthen online safety protections. The reasons are similar everywhere. Governments say they want to tackle issues such as cyberbullying, child sexual exploitation, self-harm, violent content, pornography, addictive platform design, and the growing impact of social media on children's mental health. But these proposals have also triggered a global debate. Critics argue that strict age verification rules may not work effectively and could raise concerns over digital privacy, free speech, and data security. Many experts also point out that children are already finding ways to bypass age restrictions using fake accounts, VPNs, or parents' identities. Vietnam's proposal also goes beyond social media. The draft introduces new restrictions on online gaming, requiring gaming companies to verify users' ages, register accounts of children under 16 through a parent or guardian, and limit those users to just 60 minutes of gameplay per day across games offered by the same company. For now, the draft decree has not been finalized and could still be revised before becoming law.
If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to Mirror Now.